Whether you want to replace deteriorating door hinges or update them with a new style, we'll show you a quick and easy way to get this accomplished. For this project, you will need a new set of hinges with mounting screws and a Phillips head screwdriver. A helpful tip to know is that you do not need to remove the door completely from the door jamb. We recommend removing and replacing the hinges one at a time, starting at the bottom. Remove all the screws that attach the hinge to the door jamb, and then remove the screws from the door. Often, the hinge will be stuck in place even when all the screws are removed. To remove the hinge, place your thumb on the plate and then using the screwdriver, push inward on the middle. This will cause the hinge to fold on itself, allowing for easy removal. This is a great time to clean if there is any dirt or dust clinging to the area. Next, install your new hinge. Make sure the top of the pin is facing up and that the hinge can fully close in your direction. Put the hinge in place and insert the screws connecting it to the door jamb. Make sure to tighten all the screws again. This will keep the hinge flush against the jamb. Now you can insert the screws to connect the hinge to the door. Sometimes the holes will not line up directly. This is okay, because as you begin to screw them in, they will pull the door into place. Repeat these steps for each hinge as you work your way up the door. If you had a hinge pin doorstop installed on your old hinges, make sure to install it on your new set. If you have any questions about this process, call First Rate Inspections at 832-567-5791.